Zwagala, Aibo. Shop, the future's calling. Maths and mind colliding. Daily dose of power. AI's here. Siaya. Kubeka, let's learn the new way. Siahamba Pezul. Daily dose of power. AI's here. Siaya. Kubeka, let's learn the new way. Siahamba Pezul.
Hi guys, welcome to another lesson of the Daily Dose of Mathematics. In our lesson today, we're continuing with the functions. We're doing 4.1.5.
Yeah, 4.1.
Okay, what is our question that we're approaching today?
So then our question is, determine the equation of the asymptotes of f of x is equivalent to g open bracket x minus 2 close bracket plus 4.
Okay, so we are given that we are supposed to determine the equations of the asymptotes.
Yeah, equation of
Now remember, we already determined the equations of the asymptote on 4.1.1. But now this one here, there's a translation. This graph has been transformed. So we want to get the equation of the asymptote for this one. So it says, they say f of x.
Yeah, f of x.
F of x is given as g of x minus 2, no?
Yes.
Plus 4.
Plus 4.
Okay, the first thing that we're going to tell them is that if you can check here, just highlight, we need g of x minus 2. Can you see that there?
G of x minus
2. We need g of x of minus 2, but we don't know what is g of x minus 2. So now what we know, we can go to our equation paper and tell them that here's what we know. We know this person. We know g of x.
Okay.
G of x.
G of x.
Yeah, g of x is given as 1 all over. No?
Yeah.
X plus 3. No?
G of x is given as 1 all over x plus 3 minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay, sure. So what we need to tell them now is that, okay, we're going to transform this g of x so that it looks like the person that they're talking about, which is g of x minus 2. No?
Yeah.
So what does this mean? It means instead of, you see this one, there was an x, just highlight here. I agree g of x, it has x. No?
Yeah.
And then there's also x on the denominator here. So there's x and x. No?
Yeah.
The new one that they're talking about, they're saying instead of x, we're going to put x minus 2.
X minus 2.
Yeah. So we're going to have, instead of where we see x, we're going to put x minus 2. So whatever we do on the left-hand side, we're also going to do it on the right-hand side.
Yeah.
So we're going to have g of x minus 2. No?
Yeah.
And then when we say g of x minus 2, now that we've changed this, it's no longer x anymore. So we're going to have 1 all over.
All over.
Yeah, we're supposed to have x, okay?
Yeah.
Now we're no longer going to put x, we're going to put what?
X minus 2.
X minus 2 plus 3, okay?
Plus 3 minus 1.
Minus 1, yeah. And then you can see with the like terms here on our denominator. No?
Yeah.
So we're going to have 1 all over x plus 1.
Yes.
Minus 1. No?
Minus 1.
Yeah. So if you compare this thing now, at least now we have the new thing that they're talking about. We already have the g of x minus 2.
Yeah.
So we're going to go and substitute now and say, okay, but for f of x, remember they said f of x is given as g of x minus 2.
Yeah.
But now we know what is g of x minus 2.
Yes.
We're going to tell them, we know what is this g of x minus 2. It's 1 all over x plus 1 again.
X plus 1 minus 1.
Minus 1. And then, but after we put this, just highlight that this is representing g of x minus 2. But there's still the 4, no?
Yeah,
which comes from the f of x.
Yeah.
So tell them plus 4.
Plus 4.
Now you can see which 4 and 1 dialect terms.
4 and 1 dialect terms.
So we're going to, minus 1 dialect terms. Then we're going to have f of x is equal to 1 all over x plus 1.
Yeah, 1 all over x plus 1.
And then it says it's going to be plus 3. Okay, sure. Now from there onwards, we're going to tell them, okay, therefore what are going to be our asymptotes? Our asymptote is going to be x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay?
Yeah.
Then we're going to have x is equal to minus 1.
X is equal to minus 1.
Okay, that's the first equation of the asymptote.
Yes.
The next one is going to say y is equal to whatever the value of q is in this new f of x.
It's positive 3.
It's positive 3. So we're going to tell them it's positive 3.
Yes.
Okay, now that we're done with this, guys, we're going to take the following solution, put it in our senior marker. Now, before we do that, okay, you can do that. We're going to copy our solution, put it on our senior marker. While we're doing that, we're going to play a song that is demonstrating what we are doing here. Let's go and play the song.
Check the hyperbola, watch the curve. Oh, hey. Asymptote set the limits, catch the nerve. Denominator 0, now we don't play. Finding that domain, clearing the way. Shift it left, shift it right, yeah. Translation time, we shifting the line. G of x minus 2 plus 4, what's the move? 4 units up, elevate the space. New asymptotes take in their place. X becomes -1, R goes to 3. Transformations, baby, for the whole class to see. Log drum fades out with a syncopated rhythm. That's the hyperbola lockdown. Equations, domains, symmetry, and ships. We don't cross the asymptote, lock it in sharp.
Okay, let's listen to our senior marker.
Marking breakdown. G, x2, equals, frac 1, x2 plus 3, 1, leading to, F, x, equals, frac 1, x plus 1, 1 plus 4. Correct. M, excellent algebraic substitution. You correctly replaced x with x2 to shift the graph horizontally, and added 4 to shift it vertically. Therefore x equals -1. Correct. 1 mark, A. Flawless identification of the new vertical asymptote equation. Y equals 3. Correct. 1 mark, A. Flawless identification of the new horizontal asymptote equation. Total, 2/2 marks. Socratic correction. Not applicable. Your working and final answer are mathematically flawless. Coach's summary. What you did well. Your algebraic approach is incredibly thorough and bulletproof. By manually calculating the full new equation for f, x, before finding the asymptotes, you completely eliminated any chance of getting confused by left-right shift rules. You left absolutely no room for error. Actionable tip for exam readiness. Because this is only a 2-mark question, you can save valuable exam time by applying the transformations directly to the original asymptotes instead of recalculating the whole function. If the original vertical asymptote is x equals -3, the transformation g, x2, moves it 2 units to the right. -3 plus 2 equals -1. If the original horizontal asymptote is y equals -1, the +4 moves it 4 units up. -1 plus 4 equals 3. You can just write down the answers directly and secure your 2 marks in seconds.
See a bonga for pulling through the lesson. Hope you caught that daily dose of magic. Like the video and leave us your thoughts. Your comment counts, tell us what you need. Your comment counts, tell us what you need. Find us on TikTok and Facebook. The daily dose of mathematics is the handle. Hit our WhatsApp for the daily prompts. Get more info on 0664 682 9994. 064 682 9994.